Take in more, all at once. The Galaxy A23's 6.6-inch TFT V-Cut display gives you room to see and do more. With FHD Plus technology and a 90 Hz refresh rate, the content you see every day will look smoother and sharper. The Galaxy A23's ambient edge design connects the camera with the body seamlessly, with simple but refined curves. The slim and symmetric Galaxy A23 comes in black, white, and blue. Upgrade your mobile photography with quad camera. Snap memorable moments in clear detail with the 50-megapixel camera. Expand the viewing angle with ultra-wide camera. Customize focus with the depth camera, or get closer to the details with the macro camera. Capture your world on the go. With OIS, your Galaxy A23 records your videos more smoothly and captures finer details even in low light. Get the full picture with ultra-wide camera. Similar to human eyesight, the 5-megapixel wide camera sees the world with a 123-degree angle of view, adding more perspective to everything you shoot. Stay ahead of the day with a battery that won't slow you down. The 5000 mAh battery lets you keep doing what you do for hours on end. The Galaxy A23 combines octa-core processing power with up to 4GB to 6GB of RAM for fast and efficient performance for the task at hand. Enjoy 64GB or 128GB of internal storage and up to 1TB more with micro SD card. With the fingerprint sensor built right into the power button, one seamless motion gets you into your phone. Go to the link below and get it only for $195.